Alrighty guys, here we go with another video for you guys. Man, I'm just really active right now on this YouTube stuff. I'm trying to kick it off. Hopefully we get paid through YouTube soon. Check this out. Anyways, we got a brand new GMC. We're gonna be swapping out these mirrors here. Customer wants the tow mirrors. We're gonna go ahead and hook them up with them tow mirrors. This does not have the camera, so perfect. They should work very well. Look at this color though. What you guys think on this color they brought out? Let me know down below. But besides that, we got this box with the mirrors. We'll be unboxing and showing you guys how they look. Stay tuned. Watch the full video. Not very detailed, but just showing you guys what we can do here. All right guys, so this is what the tow mirrors look like here. They're pretty big and bulky. So I hope we, he likes this style. We got a couple of wirings that we got to wires up. It's got the sequential stuff. Man, this is gonna be fun, boys. We got this one all removed already. Of course, you gotta remove this whole door panel, right? They didn't make it easy on us here. We're gonna run some wiring down through right in here.
I'm doing all the work, okay? You better make sure that they find out I'm doing all the work, not you.
All right, that guy's working away. He's helping. He's helping. You're helping. That's my boy right there, man. I'm training him. He's helping out. He's good though. He's got it. Alrighty guys, check this out. We just finished inserting a few pins on this harness here that goes from the door to inside the cab. You got to be extremely careful when you remove these. Be very cautious if you try to do this on your own. I've done about 10 sets of these already, so it's no big deal. But just to give you guys a heads up, be real careful. We're wiring up the tow mirrors that are gonna have lights and all kinds of nice features. Check them out. Alrighty guys, check this out. We just wrapped up this 2022 GMC. This is the Elevation. Customer bought his own Boost Auto towing mirrors. Now these come with all the features that you can get, which is going to be the turn signal, right? Let me see. So you're gonna have the white LED parking light on here with the turn signal. Has it on the back. If you come right over here on this side. He also has a turn signal here, and he's got the spotlight. So we also hooked it up to the reverse. So those will turn on when you put your truck in reverse. Right? Going to have that turn signal on this side and on the front. If you just go check out that front one. And it's going to work the same for both sides, right? Alright. So this also has the, like I said, the power folding power folding feature. So what you're gonna do here on the switch, so this does not have the setup for the power folding. You're gonna hit the mirror here. You're gonna go side to side. You're gonna hear a beep. Now you can fold these in on both sides. You hit up, it's gonna fold them out. So that's pretty cool. It was a little bit complicated wiring these things up because I followed the instructions that's on their YouTube video, and for some reason it was not correct. So there's a few little things that you got to do to make them work properly. And if you guys need any tow mirrors installed, we've done a lot of these Boost Auto ones here with a couple of different features. We can do that for you, cab lights, anything like that. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. Till the next time, I'll catch you guys, and then we'll go from there. Thank you guys for watching.